Sawona buza yami yazi le ngoma ethi you can take me out of the ghetto but you can't take the ghetto out of me. Buza yami, we have good news namhlanje. We have a big huge surprise. Please watch this vlog. Bambala bo popcorn bangayindawo loku enjoy wena. We have been invited by Utakealot, a House of Beauty event that's happening here in Durban. One of the biggest events. I'm talking skincare, I'm talking perfume, siyanuka, siyagcobisa, siya makeup. If you think beauty, event, we are going there. Namhlanje it's a Friday. The event is 3 days. It's a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we are going for the Saturday one. I'm super excited about the event. As the vlog goes, and Utakealot just sent us a PR package. This is Vula sonke, but asambeni manje we have a hair appointment. As I'm so sad, I'm taking out Snoopy Sami fresh. I'm taking it out because I booked for a hair appointment. I'm trying a new hair salon. I'm trying a new makeup artist because everyone is fully booked in Durban. But I hope ngizoba muhle ngizole. Ozayami ngiyakuthanda. Like a video because ngiyazi ukuthi uzokhohlwa. And if you are new here, kamana Mumandisa Keswa. And if you are already a subscriber, we baza. And if you too want to join the Maposa Squad, just feel free, press on that subscribe button and join the fam. Tatalo popcorn. We are still gonna look for an outfit. Kuningi. This place is huge. Right now, Sunzo Washa Ikonda. Snoop Sam Jamming Satsanda.
I've been so many places in my lifetime. I've been so many places. I've been so many places in my lifetime. I've been so many places in my life and time. I saw the lights up that made some bad rhyme.
Ready up for the short video where the item that you sign.
I've acted out my love on stages with 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love on stages. 10,000 people watching.
We're done.
Yes.
I'm coming from a shoot. We went to Botanical Gardens to shoot, and now we are back. And I was craving lunch bar. I saw this from Mulangelish. I want to try it and let you guys know what's in. So I'm gonna taste this one first. Basically, a lunch bar, by fage a coating game, a PS. Take a bite. Fano, Kit Kati. Kit Kati and lunch bar is totally different things.
Ifana na lunch bar Ferrero Rocher. Chocolate na makinat.
But still buy this one. Nzanda umagoya. Because we still don't have an outfit. It's on sisazo emol. Manje kusesikhathi rush hour. So Shuthi kuyacaca sisama influence utshwala. Guys, this is the drink we drank. Iphathe kathuli and it was so nice. Ayiphethe uSinye. Shout out. Sengithengile and Zwizwe umfana. Babe. Come. What's up? Let's call this down. You're not gonna like it because yeah, she's. You know what?
Andinguthiwa izulu kanjani wavelisa khona.
Taste. Yadlala. I hope we get this way done. Taste the fruit. Jangan.
Masukkan sawit.
Hey, it's like margarita. Khumbula margarita phela?
Masukkan sawit.
Azi mina kade ngenza njani ngivele ngafaka usawoti la sengiphuza just so I can enjoy it. Ungizwisana? Abana! Hayi! Kuyimanje ngathi angiyiqede yonke. Awuyitani?
Hayi no nya awu.
Rate
Eze Margaret, ngirate iyini?
urate
Kufanele
azotshwala
ngazi
sika
plan
lami
ukuthi-
njengoba kade uyitaste nje uyirate.
Mhlawumbe u6 noma u7.
Anyways, mina lethu you10 fan. Kade ngicela ukukhuluma nawe and give you an update. But tomorrow kuzobe mina nawe nje. This is the time I'm actually coming from a gateway. Last minute shopping. I arrived corner. I think it was 8:30. And he told Levala 9. I was able to get something, got the fix. This is the outfits. I don't know. I'm still gonna go in. How does it look? Guys, I don't know. I don't know how I feel. This is a outfit I got. Sega wayizwa when dress to impress ne vesti. Yi vesti phela le vesti. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna kill it. I don't know, but I want to look very nice, very different. I'm about to complement the hair. I also wanted those silver things to put in my hair. Kodwa manje ngizoyibheka. Hopefully I find them. Koni week nje ngikhumbulayo yeah zazikhona lezi zinto. I hope I find it. Also ikhanda ebheki ngazuthi ubuhlungu angazi usizulala kanjani. Boza mfethu yabo kusasa. Sizovloga usuku lonke. We have makeup. My friend Uvuyiswa, she's also coming with me for tomorrow. Kwenzeke something kwi-makeup artist yakhe. Ayibambe ucingo. So I had to ask my person ukuthi cela means. So I have to get there. Sengifuna ukunitshengisa nje ukuthi ngiphuza imatch noma ngabe siphelile. Ngicela imatch ukuthi bayifake i-strawberry serum noma i-vanilla syrup. Izoba mnandi matcha yakho. Anyways, back to iStory Skavi. So I asked my makeup artist ukuthi cela emfaki. And then she said engangenza mina earlier to accommodate uV. So meaning that mina uzongenza ngo6, uV uzomenza ngo7. So we have to start driving because it's 30 minutes away from here. Ngo5 kumele sisuke. Ngo5 ekseni. Shuthi kuvuka nini? Kuvuka ngo4:30 noma ngo4. Khona uzogeza phela. So namhlanje sizolala ayinile yonke into, nifayela emotweni. Yonke into from jewelry to shoes, yonke into. Izona zinto engizoyigqoka lezo. Then sihambe soyenza makeup sibuye sigqoke. Siye kwilona. Deal? Deal. Pozayami sonke siyayazi leyo saying from abazali. When uyakwazi ukuyivukela muye hamba indawo zakho. Yimi ke loyo namhlanje.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pozayami Unchani. I hope you're doing well. I'm ready for my makeup appointment. We have a makeup appointment manjing 6. After that, sizobuya Pozayami sizogoga. The event starts at 9 and we cannot afford to be late. Uzwil? And then azoshisa. Cannot wait for you to see my outfit. Yeah, njalo nje. Ngithi mina u-Andiswa yi-influencer because silana nje because yeah uBeefo lo mngani uBeefo. This is V. Hello V. Morning. Guys, I'm so nervous because Wendy is touching my face for the first time. I'm such a strict person when it comes to makeup, but ngiyazi ukuthi ngizobaba. Umsebenzi wakhe ngubonile. Lalela boza yami. Ungitshele nawe lapho ukuthi ucabanga uhamba kanjani. But the foundation match is insane.
One crazy sweet sense.
No, ukuthi sesiyoshuta mhlambe ashintshe. Phashile angisaboni ngathi uzoziphinda wena usiphashisa kancane. Today we tried something different with my eyes. I did a white eyeliner, missing a lip combo and some good lashes, which I'm doing now. And this is the final product. Love it. Siyabonga. This is how the makeup looks outside. Kushisani eThekwini, kushisani. This is the time. Samsendlini manje soqoka uvi useyaqala ngemakeup akhe somshiya sizomfica khona. Yeah. And just like that, we are back endlini. I look like a snack, guys. It's my first time ever doing an eye look and I kind of like it. It is but I kind of like it. Let me know what you like, what you don't. There's something about the nose. Angazi noma uyayibona yini noma ngiyahlanya, but ikhala lami ngisazolithinta thinta. But I really like it. I love my hair in this look. Ngizofaka ngihlobise lana with some yabona impahla lezi kanje. I hope uzoba kuhle. We have, let me show you the time. It's 8:20 manje. And ngifuna ngo-pass, guys, noma ayi ngo-pass mhlawumbe ngo-40 siya drive us off to Eastern Coast. It's quite near, but I know ukuthi I might struggle with packing, yabo. I'm super excited. I'm wearing something short. I'm wearing heels. I hope I like it. And ngizokwenzela OOTD sengigqokile. And uyazi nawe kumele sihambe siyotshengisa umfana makeup yethu sibone i-reaction yakhe. I'm back, my love. Okay. Lento mhlophe ngifaka emehlweni. Awuyithanda? Okay. Alithanda ikhala? Inhle yona ngiyayithanda. Ikhala li right? Well, I like it. And I likes it. We rate abale. Out of 10?
8.
Still 8. Yo, boza yami angisalambile. Yo, I'm so hungry. That's the first thing I'm gonna do mingifika laphayana. Mfethu angidlanga yesterday. I drank a matcha and I called it a night. Ukuthi ngizama nangazi. I really like this necklace, yes. Jesu. Sanibonani niyaphila. Ngiyaphila nami. Uzovela na kwi-vlog ya YouTube ngiya-vlog. It's Hello Maposa Squad.
Hello Maposa
1, 2, 3,
Squad.
go. Hello Maposa Squad. Alright, okay. I just want to do a quick outfit of the day. Dress is from Shein. The jewelry, all I got it from a wig that I bought from Ubuhlo Bendalo, and I accessorized my hair. I did my hair a fancy clothes. The makeup is by Wendy. The jewelry is from Shein. Shein pulled through. Daniel Wellington, and the bag is from Shein. And the shoes are from Ufoshini Luella. I think I ate this look.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I can imagine. No question on my
A human. Yes, I am.
crazy things that you show.
Hello, my buzzer squad. Hello, Jelly Tots. Hello, my buzzer squad. Right, Miami, it is so hard vlogging for TikTok and also YouTube at the same time. I'm gonna calm down. I'm vlogging for YouTube, and then ngizobuya for Elon. Manje, I got this accreditation exhibitor. Oh, pinned.
Welcome.
Sawubona phosa njani?
Yabona phosa yami njani?
Sizodla sicela ukudla.
Abanyoda oh.
What? I got the bag. I'm gonna get goodie bags. Goodie what? Goodies tonton. And I got Atubona nje.
Do I have any beautiful people in the house? Definitely gonna do better than that. Do I have any beautiful people in the house? You guys, you see, this is why I love Durban. You're my friend.
Hi, uyen.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello, Santumana. I say hello to you because today, ladies and gentlemen, I have a huge honor of getting to be your host for the Take a Lot House of Beauty. The first one ever in Durban. Is anyone excited about that? Exactly. So
Ready for you. So I'm gonna step off stage for a second, but together. However, we've got so much planned for you. Don't forget that all of this is courtesy of Take a Lot, but also we've got such incredible brands that you can see that jump on. But also
you look beautiful, Mama. Thank you. Hello. How are you, my babe? Hello, my buzzer squad. Welcome to Take a Lot House of Beauty. Okay, thus far this is my favorite stand. I had so much fun. Ganivia, sengiyahamba. Hello, my buzzer squad. Can you please borrow me your earphones? I'm kidding. I'm kidding, it's a prank. Betapila abantu guys, bukan. Fula laka essence. Kozwani kanjani? Anzile ukuzodlala.
Sayabonana manje.
Kodwa yini?
Hello, my brother squad.
So we need a pass.
Lutho ngisemanje wavela owaphunywa.
Wow.
Abafuna ungena.
Oh, baba, Maurice. Sanwana mom, can I just
I feel so lucky.
congratulations. What's that? Magalento.
I've acted out my love stages.
So guys, what would I like to change about my skin? I have a combined skin. I don't know. You can't change that. If you are born like that with the combined type.
So you can't change your skin type, but you can control.
A lot. I sweat a lot. Nyachulu. But we man. Any product. She likes my hair. I love you. I like everything. How are you, my love?
You are such a vibe and you're so stunning.
Can you give me a hello, Maposa squad? Hello, Maposa squad.
Nina, my baby. Thank you, gorgeous. So nice to meet you.
Can I take you home?
I want to go with you. Now what? My name is Zanele Potendo, aka the People's Champion. So you're champion. Thank you very much.
Really, because I am shy.
Yes. That's
Can I spell up here? Ay.
There you go.
I did it.
No, you did it. Hello, how are you?
Maybe you also can't spell and you say and you're saying I did it. I'm so sorry, Mama. I can see who's I close squad pelele. Yona. Hello, Mama squad. Skin is thin, lapho. Skin is skinny. About to have a masterclass. Super excited. Where should I live?
You guys are gonna crack the tea and tell me how you feel about it.
Hello, my mother squad.
Yeah, thank you. Siyabonga, Twazi. Siyabonga. Thank you. Twazi. Yeah, Sanbona. It's hitting. Yeah. Imani mkhulu ngifuna beze lapha. Ulisa smells so good. uyinto ethandekayo soze ndibuqhele ubuhle bakho ndimthanda kangangona
And I won.
She won. Siyakubongela mama sithi halala halala. Hello Maposa Squad.
Beautiful. Hello, Maposa Squad.
Guys, kade can love the stage asikhanyi.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I can imagine. No question on my mind. You make it happen. One crazy
yedwa-ke lana.
No, we only have this collection of flowers.
Ngipho yedwa. Ebheka akekho.
Hello, Posa.
Yeah. So you got this. I wanna pause. Uyaphila? Ngiyaphila nami sithando sami. Nibe right zami. Ngoba mina sengikhathele zihlume ecathulo. Sengidape kwanele. Right now I'm gonna go take my goodie bag and then go take pictures of Florida. Umusuhamba bhoda uyaqashulwa wona khona ungeke uphinde
Ngisingilapha nje. Hayibo, nakhoka.
Unginika lo into unika lo khona ufake.
Ay, oh, now yini. How?
Siyabonga guys.
All right.
Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you.
Sam.
Thank you my love.
Suham.
Nihambe kahle. Ayibo. Nihambe kahle. Sithweleke manje. Sithwele kanzima. Akumthwala. Anyways guys, ngizonivezela mase ngisendlini ukuthi what I got. Okwamanje we are going to take pictures. You're going to see the pictures in the thumbnail or Instagram. For dinner Pozayami we are having braai from Zai. Awubambe iqatha yena wela. Sidle. Pozayami senguyile endlini. I'm super excited. This is the time currently. It's 21 minutes past 7. Njoba ngibuya ngikhathele. But I had so much fun kuleya event. It was well organized. Yonke into nje. It was mwah. Abantu bebahle. Umtapo ngapha. Hey guys, online abangaka. I couldn't play wonke lawo ma games just to get izinto bese nginethemba kwi goodie pack. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe ne-energy ukuthi nginitshengise njengamanje zonke lezi zinto, but I don't have it because now I have a lecture, basically a tutorial. Ngiyabhala ngo Monday ngibhala imaths and I hire out or book out a tutor ukuthi angisize nge-maths and sengithola distinction manje. So I have a class now. It's my last class before the exam. Iqala manje ngo past. So ngizonibona ekseni senginenzela ukuthi khona niphakathi, but I had so much fun. Also go check out the Instagram pictures. So I shot the pictures ngishuthwa ingane yami laba amawele uAthi no Naz, and then I edit my pictures by myself. And if you want to see the higher pictures, you could go on my Instagram, umendi_keswa. Enjoy. Nami ngitape kahle. Boza ngibuyile and ngiphethe isijumbana sami. Ngifuna ukushaya unboxing nawe boza yami. So, yeah. this is everything that I got. I take a lot House of Beauty, and while I do the unboxing, ngifuna ukunixoxela a few things, and also the big surprise that I said ngifuna ukunitshela yona. This I have already started using. I've been kamnandi ngicela uyibukisise, and one look phume namatiye e detox. So basically event guys kade qala ukwenzeka eThekwini, ubona ngosiphile nayo non-alcoholic. Kade qala ukwenzeka eThekwini, and what happened was they normally post we page labo la ku Instagram ukuthi badayisa amathikithi, when will the tickets go live. And guys, sonke sisuke sijamile on our phones waiting for the link. May send the link siyathenga amathikithi. I think the tickets were like 250 to 300 rands arrange lapho. And what basically happens is the tickets gives you access, and wonke umuntu mesehamba uthola lo mthwalo. So yonke imithwalo ethi yafana, kuthiwa the value of the things esuke iphakathi ifika ku 5,000 rands. So ziningi, wena izinto zekhanda uyabona nje ayikho into engekho uRevlon lo. So nawe ke hamba bafollowisha lapha ka take a lot House of Beauty naka Clicks bake babe nayo into kanje bayibiza ngeClicks Beauty Playground. Zimnandi lezi zinto lezi. So njoba kade iqala ukwenzeka eThekwini, I'm sure isazokwenzeka futhi kwezinye indawo mhlawumbe eGoli yabo nakho konke indawo. So be on the lookout. And njengoba kade ubona on that side ukuthi the previous parts of vlog ukuthi kade khona ama stands yabo. Zonke izinto lezi ama stands usuke ekhona lapha yana usuke uzoyithola zonke izinto yabo, they included njengo ordinary, but kuba khona nama games adlalwayo uyabona. Umolayini ke bade ko line boza. We got lucky enough to be given like a chance ukuthi singene kulezi zinto lezi, singene phakathi yabo, njengakanive abangenisile ngoba bayangazi. I doubt ukuthi yabo bangenisile ngoba phela befuna ngibashuthe content, but you had to stand the long queue uzulinde kube 10 yakho, and then you play that certain game, winner you get something, mhlawumbe bakunika lip gloss, foundation or whatever. But ekade ithola izinto eziningi kakhulu, kade kweya Catrice and Essence, which are makeup products, and engiyibone futhi kade mnandi le ka ordinary benqa amabhola nani. I also want to speak about this. This is like, I use this guys, ngiyayithanda le lona i-roll on efaka ebusuku. Basically umune ekhwapha elinukayo ufana nami, isama mfethi iyeza awu screenshot lo, ulomisa nkwe umfaka ebusuku, uyamfaka bhoza yami uyalala, muvu uyageza ulomile ikhwapha kahle kahle itenukisa ikhwapha ukuthi umjuluko. Mina I sweat a lot, even now as we speak I'm sweating. So liyalomisa ikhwapha awuyifaki every day, mhlawumbe in a week uyifaka u2 noma ka3, liyawoma ikhwapha aliningi ikhwapha usumbhale nobani nomichamu. We got my favorite product, my Silo water, and the good news is, drum rolls please. Boza, I want new background. I want. We have a new place. This is our new home, and I'm super excited. Cannot wait to show you around. Yabo. But asiqhubeke ne-unboxing. Ngisazokutshela le enye surprise emnandi kakhulu kunale. When you thought this was like the best one, but kuseza enye. Guys, I got a DM from Grace Montana. Athula mabada kwashulula ngethula mafi. Hi, I'm a brother. Officially, you are coming with me to Grace Mondlana's year-end celebration. Ezo celebrate wonke umuntu omfollowisha her journey na yonke into ayenzayo, and her supporters ukuthi sizombungaza nje. Uthi Grace wena fika uwena, mina ngizonblessa. Siba u300 usikhethile. The event weka amathikiti athengwayo. What happens is Grace Mondlana handpicks you, and this is my shade Kabanga. I even thought at some point ayingeke yamle kanti cha. Yintsha. This is my shade. Ingathi beyazi. Kanti abazi. Yeah, she handpicks you, and Bozayami, you are getting a vlog. Uyacabanga? Nayi enye le mpahla le. I think le should say I don't know. Okay, what happened was our helper got the Caesar. She saw the bag, the goodie bag. Wabele wa distribute wafaka izinto. Ibenje wafa ekhabetheni wafaka. Wabuyisela izinto la ihlala khona, so ngenzeka ukuthi ngilo ngibona ezinye izinto engiyisebenzisa from the list. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited. You are coming along. Njengoba nje sikhuluma nje ngibusy ngifunana ne-outfits. Guys, i-outfits ubani lo uskin badayisa izinto zeskin. Sisangene manje sithandele ingqondo sibheka i-outfits. I-event kaGracie is very strict when it comes to following the theme. So it is a colored theme. Sayobheka, and I'm also doing my nails as we speak. I have a nail appointment ngo-3. So sesogijima manje siye kuya. So these are the things I got from House of Beauty. Take a lot House of Beauty hand cream. I think lengi hamba nayo le motweni. Guys, maybe it's Maybelline. I think yeah, that's it. And then got Dark and Lovely basipha ama voucher ka 25% off. So that's that, Bozayami. I'm super excited. On the next video, I will post a house tour if you want to see ukuthi kunjani la endlini. Leso kuzoba indlu yethu, and we cannot wait to like sinjani finish nani na yonke leyo nto. After my nails, we'll go look for an outfit. I also have to go see ekhaya because khona project that ngiyenza lapha ekhaya manje I haven't been able to see it ngamehla ami, but I've seen the pictures. Ngizonitshengisa nani. And then we also have a Dark and Lovely event. Sizobona Uncle Waffles. Super excited, Bozayami, and we are going to the Grace Mondlane event. So kuningi osazowenzeka kule vlog elandelayo. But thank you so much for watching this one, and ngiyakuthanda. Kulungeleke. Bye. I'm gonna see you on the next vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Washwele.